In this video, you will be able to know how to get monetized on YouTube. And then the next thing, you will be able to know the requirements which are needed in order to get monetized on YouTube. And the third thing, you will get to know about the patterns program. And another thing, you'll get to know the mistakes most of the people do which led them to be demonetized on YouTube. And lastly, don't forget that at the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus tip about on how to get monetized on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you how to get monetized on YouTube step by step. Exactly, these are the one of the methods that I used in order to get monetized on YouTube. In order to get monetized on YouTube, there are some certain things that you have to work out or that you have to do in order to get monetized on YouTube. The common way to get monetized on YouTube is through a YouTube pattern program. Many of you may ask, what is YouTube pattern program? A YouTube pattern programmer is a program that involves you to press an advertisement on your video and make money anytime you upload a content. Then how comes that? That's how YouTube really monetizes your videos. And then how many of you may ask how that happens? Then it happens through the process called Google AdSense. Then how AdSense work? It is noted that YouTube pays content creator through a Google AdSense program. I will make a short video next time about AdSense. And this occurs when a viewer watches or clicks on the ad within your video which had appeared on your video. Hence, YouTube generates a revenue, and this revenue is split between two people, the content creator and the YouTube. Then how does works? Then it works like this. The content creator is given 55% and YouTube takes the rest, that is 45%. So that is it. And then let's look at some of the requirements. What requirement is needed in order to get monetized on YouTube? The first requirement is the 1,000 subscribers. And the next thing is 4,000 watch hours. And this happens between the 12 months. That's exactly 1 year. And then another thing is follow YouTube rules, guidelines, SEOs, and terms of service. Many of the people don't look about this, but I don't know why. If you want to get monetized on YouTube, you have to follow the YouTube guidelines. Many of the people may ask me, I would like to join Patterns program. Then it's okay, you can join, but the first thing you have to do is you have to get the requirements. Get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. And the last thing is follow YouTube rules, content guidelines. Then here we go. To join Patterns program, first you have to go to YouTube Studio. Everyone, I know many of the people have YouTube on their account, YouTube Studio. You are supposed to go on YouTube Studio and then click settings. And then after clicking settings, click monetization, and after clicking monetization, then if you are qualified to get monetized on YouTube, you will see a blue button. Then click in that blue button, then you will review the YPP terms. Another thing is set up a Google AdSense account and then connect your channel, and that will be there. And then the last thing is that you send that application to YouTube, and then the last thing is wait to YouTube to review your channel. They will send you an email with a decision. Once the application is successful, then you will start to earn money from YouTube. But if YouTube rejects your decision or your channel, you don't have to worry, but you reapply in 30 days, hence giving you time to fix everything on your channel. So let's talk about some of the mistakes most of the people do, which leads to demonetized on YouTube. Let's look at some of them. One is copyright claim. I'll talk about that in the next video. Then another thing is videos that violate YouTube community guidelines. Most of the people, I don't know why they don't read these YouTube community guidelines, but make sure that if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you have to know these things and be aware of them. So if you have any question, if you have understood something, just go in the comment section and type in your comment. If you have not understood somewhere, feel free to ask me. I'll be able to answer your question right there and right then. So as I'm concluding, in the beginning I actually talked about the bonus tab. Let's talk about the bonus tab. Bonus tab number 1, use YouTube live stream. Many of the people may ask me, live stream makes someone be monetized on YouTube? Yes, you can. You can monetize live stream with ads, only with ads. Then how? Maybe I would talk about that later. But use live streams only with advertisements, just like the regular videos you see on advertisement, like on YouTube, hence making you millions and millions of money, even though when you are slapping. Then tip number 2 is use YouTube affiliate marketing. Many of you may know YouTube affiliate marketing. Let's talk about that. This is where you sign up for various affiliate programs with different brands or companies, maybe like Coca-Cola, like Pepsi, different companies. And in this case, you get a custom product link to share with your audience. Basically, you put that link in your description, and if someone buy one of these stuffs using your link, you will be able to earn a commission, hence making you a lot of money. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have not liked, please give me a like, and if you have any question, I'm requesting you, please leave it down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in the next video. Alright.